Hello friends. Do you sometimes feel that you want to do something new but you feel lack of confidence? Today I am here to share 4 very useful tips to gain confidence. Now, how to gain confidence? Actually, confidence is already inside you. How do you know that? When you decide to do something new, it means you are confident that you have a skill on which you want to work on. It means that you want to do something which you know you can do it. But then suddenly we start thinking, what will people think if I start doing it? For example, I know how to sing. I'm very good at singing. People appreciate many a times how I sing. But if I work on it, if I start this as a profession, or if I work on it, what will people say? What my family will say? Are they going to appreciate me? And then slowly we ourselves pull our leg down. So you are confident, you know you can do it. Then why to think about other people? Remember, don't set yourself on fire to keep other people warm. If you want to do something, do it. Then how to do it? So there are 4 simple steps. If you do it, you are going to work on your skills confidently without any second thought. Number 1, come out of your comfort zone. Comfort zone is a shield which we create around ourselves, and we don't want to do anything new. We don't understand that if we will do, we can do it or not. There are so many questions coming up in our mind. Remember, when you do something new, there are 2 possibilities. Either you can do it, you cannot do it. As simple as that. If you can do it, well and good. If you cannot do it, are you going to lose something? No. Then why don't give it a try? Do it, try it out. Maybe that there is just 1 or 2% some problems which you are facing, you work on it and you can just keep moving on it. So first step is move out of your comfort zone. Take the first step as soon as something comes to your mind that you want to do it. Second, evaluate your skills yourself. Don't ask every other person, okay, I'm planning to work on my singing skills. I want to sing. People will say, oh, don't do it. Do you think you can do it? There is no future in it. Maybe your parents will not like. Maybe your friends will make fun of you and this and that. And then what happens? You were confident, so that thought came to your mind that you want to sing. But then start thinking about people around you, and then you yourself put your confidence down and you feel, no, I can't do it. So evaluate your skill yourself. Take advice from the people who are actually of that field. They can give you right advice, right suggestions. Don't keep asking every second person whatever you want to do. Third, be open to change. If you want to do something new, you have to be ready for change. Change will be of different kinds. Number 1, there will be change in your routine. There will be change in your way of working. There will be change in the people's attitude, how they take you, how they look at you. But then, why should we bother if you want to do something new? I am going to do it. Let people do whatever they do it. If I am doing something and there is a change in my daily routine, I am going to accept it because I am ready to start something new. So if I want to do it, I am ready to do it. I know I can do it. Why should I bother about other people? Why should I? So if you are open to change, if you are ready to accept everything around you, just because you know you can do a particular task, keep doing it. And then 4th and very important, be ready to take risk. Daily routine task is a daily routine task. There is nothing special in it. And if you want to do something different, you have to take that risk. Remember, the move that you are afraid to make could be the one that is going to change everything in your life. So don't take yourself back. Once the thought comes in your mind, I want to do it, give it immediately a step up. What more can happen? It is, remember, confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. Wrong is again a step towards your right. If you're doing something wrong, you know this is not the right way and you learn which is not the right way. You're going to do the next right step. So be ready to take step. Maybe 1 or 2 times you may be wrong, but then do not take yourself back. Remember, every failure is a step towards your success. So be ready to learn from your failures. Be ready to learn from your mistakes. Be ready to take the step further. Be ready to get up every time you fall and take the next step. If you are ready, there is no one who can stop you to achieve your success. It is as simple as that. So I would request everyone to come out of the comfort zone, evaluate the skills, be open to change and ready to take risk. All the best. I would request those who are new to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. You can comment in the comment box for me to improve, and you can also give your suggestions for next topics and tips which I can work on bring for you. If you want to talk on any topic, one-to-one motivation, you can just write a comment and we can work on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.